to the Big B and Little T channel. Today I'm going to be making some recipes from our Bakehouse, from our cafe, and putting some of those up on our video channel. And today the first thing we're going to do is make some soy curls, barbecue soy curls, which we actually call pulled porkless, and it tastes just like pulled pork without the meat. So it's a vegan recipe, and I will show you exactly how I put it together. And it's one of the easiest recipes you can make. It's great for sandwiches or to put on top of rice. My husband and I, the Big B, we actually had it on top of baked potatoes this last week, and it's just really versatile. The soy curls here, made by Butler, they actually have only one ingredient, and that is soy. So unless you're allergic to soy, it's just a great ingredient to use. It's very versatile. It's kind of like TVP in the sense that it takes on any flavor that you add to it. So easy to make and yummy to serve. Let's get to it. Okay, so you watched me put the soy curls in a bowl that was filled with warm water and set the timer for 10 minutes to let them soak. It just rehydrates the soy curls. And now we're getting ready to season them and cook them. But first, I'm going to take these longer pieces and I'm going to tear them just into more of a bite-sized piece, so they'll be more uniform. So we'll just get to that right now. A lot of the pieces are already small, so just getting these longer strips into smaller bite-sized pieces. Okay, that's pretty good. Now we're going to put them on the heat. So we have our cooktop. I'm just going to pour the soy curls into the pan. And this was half a bag of the soy curls. This recipe isn't all that popular at the Bakehouse simply because there's not that many vegan people that order from our menu. So I just try to make what we'll use in a week, and it's easy enough to make a second batch if it runs out in the middle of the week. So first I'm going to heat it up on medium heat and let some of that extra liquid just absorb from there before we start adding some seasonings. So we'll let that go just a few, 30 seconds to a minute to get them warmed up. First, I'm going to take some garlic powder, and as you've probably seen from previous videos of mine, I don't measure all that much. I just probably shook a half a teaspoon teaspoon on there. We're just going to take some regular ground black pepper. Probably just an 1/8 to a 1/4 of a teaspoon. Next we have some minced onion. And I'm just going to, it's about 1 tablespoon, and we'll do 1 more. So probably about 2 tablespoons of minced onion. I'll stir those spices in. I'm going to turn my heat down just a little bit so it doesn't stick. Then we're going to put some barbecue sauce in it. This one is Heinz and it is vegan. And I'm just going to get it open first of all, and then just squeeze a good amount on there, probably 1/3 of a cup. And that is quite a sweet barbecue sauce, so I'm also in addition going to add some Stubbs original. Stubbs also comes in a spicy version, which my husband Brian and I both like, but for our customers, I try to stick to the non-spicy version of things, because some people don't really like spicy food. So we're just going to put some of this on, probably 1/4 to a 1/3 of a cup again, and we're going to stir it in and just see if we need to add a little bit more or not. You want it to be really coated on each piece, and then maybe with a little extra, so it will be quite barbecue-y when they're eating it. Oh, now. We serve it on toasted ciabatta bread in our cafe with pickles and mustard. See, it's quite saucy, but I really think it needs more sauce, so I'm just going to add a little bit more of each kind of barbecue. A little bit more of the Heinz, and then a little bit more of the Stubbs barbecue. And then we'll stir that in and we'll see how saucy it is. And if you're serving this at home, certainly you can add more barbecue while you're making your sandwich. We just reheat it here and put it on the sandwich without adding more barbecue. But that's different than a home cooking situation. Okay, I think that looks pretty good. It's fairly coated. A little bit of extra sauce. Now what I'm going to do is turn it down to a very low heat, and I'm going to put a lid on it and let it just simmer for about 3 minutes. So we'll just wait till that is done. It's on very low heat, simmering. Set the timer. 3 minutes. Okay, it's gotten very steamy warm, nice and barbecue-y. And we're just gonna turn off the heat and let it cool in the pan before storing it away for the week. And this half a bag will make us serving for about enough for 5 sandwiches, putting about a half a cup of it on each sandwich. So the soy curls are available on Amazon or directly from Butler, who produces them, from their website. So we'll just let this rest right here, and then I will store it in a container with a lid after it's all cooled off and put it in the refrigerator until we use it in our cafe. And like I said, it doesn't have to go on a sandwich. It could go on top of rice, or like we had it on top of baked potatoes. It's really versatile as barbecued flavor, or you can also try recipes with other flavors, but this is what we're making today is pulled porkless. Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video on how to make pulled porkless. It's a recipe we serve in our cafe, 611 Bakehouse, and like I said, we serve it on a toasted ciabatta with pickles and mustard, but you may find a different way to serve it for you and your family. It's an easy weeknight meal that you can just pull together really quickly, and it's really tasty. So give us a thumbs up, a like, and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already, and we'll see you on the next one. Have a great day.